This person emailed and said they have employees in multiple states now. Do they have to pay file income tax return in each state? So they have employees
Yeah.
in, it's very common in the tri-state area, New York, Connecticut, New Jersey. So you have people crossing over from New Jersey to New York to work and vice versa, and from Connecticut to New York and so on and so forth. Do they have to pay or file income tax for each of these states if they have employees living in?
Yes, with the change now, the trend in employee being hired from any state now, or employees moving around, this is a question that we get a lot. And again, every business and business owner will have to look at their specific situation. Is the employee living in that state for just a month? Are they moving back to the state? So there are so many factors that we need to consider. But in general, states are going to claim taxes on net income generated in their states if you have employees or an office location or assets in that state. And then, of course, you would consider whether there is a loss being generated from that revenue in the state, whether it's worth doing the tax filing or not. What are the special requirements from the state? Some states say you have to file a return even if you are not generating any profits, right? So you want to make sure that you are complying with the requirements of each state and keeping up with them, because later on, when you do need to do something in that state, the profits are so massive that you need to file. You will then have to deal with what you didn't do in the past, and then the penalties and fixing that issue are not worth it.
I agree. I agree. And this is also one thing. Each state's going to be slightly different, right? Even places like New York, Connecticut, New Jersey, you'll be surprised some of the differences you see across state lines when it comes to income tax filing obligations.